today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys a makeup look that I did for Diwali. So it's going to be a bit hard, a bit on the heavier side, but it's still a neutral makeup look that you can wear with all of your outfits, be it the day wear or the night wear, whether it's a very heavy look or it's a simple look. The look that I'm wearing right now is what you would call a simple makeup though. However, a lot of you seem to not know that. The look I'm going to be doing today is neutral, but it's kind of on the heavier side. It's a bit hard as well. This, however, is very easy. I have a lot of tutorials about this look on my YouTube channel Shorts, so you all can check that out. Also, I do have to address another thing. A lot of new subscribers joined my channel this month, and I welcome all of you to my channel. I hope you'll enjoy the content I post. And yeah, the ones that I joined the ones that joined newly are all interested in makeup, I guess, because I got y'all from the shorts that kind of blew up. So yeah, I think y'all will really like today's video as well. It's a detailed video wherein I talk about the product, I show y'all how to apply it, and I show y'all some tips and tricks from my end. So I hope y'all will enjoy it. So without wasting any further time, let's just get into the video now. But again, before we do that, I have to remind you guys, if you guys enjoyed this particular video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And if you all enjoy my videos in general, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. It'll make me very happy. So yeah, let's get into the video now.
I'm gonna start off with the Quench Botanics Repair Moisturizing Serum. It's cold and dry out there and our skin needs moisture, and that's what this is. And I'm gonna use Mars's Take a Glow Illuminating Primer. ये प्राइमर आपके फेस पे एक ग्लो ऐड करता है and it just makes it look like you're glowing from inside. Next up is a concealer from Swiss Beauty. This happens to be one of my favorite concealers. It just does the job so good. और इसको मैं अपने आँखों के lids पे apply कर लूँगी and I'll blend it using this tiny blender from Pack Cosmetic. और उसके बाद ये cello tape को मैं अच्छे से काट के I'll place it so I can draw a perfect wing on an angle from the outer corner of my eyes towards the eyebrows. Next up, I'm going to use the Makeup Revolution Reloaded eyeshadow palette in the shade Velvet Rose. And I'll use this light brown skin tone. And this will be my base shade. Next up, I'm going to take this light brown shade and apply it across my crease and extend it a little bit towards the outer corner and outside, and I'll draw a wing like that. The next shade will be this darker brown, and this is just a little bit darker than the last one I showed you. And this one I'll only apply towards the wing and not on the entire lid. Next up is this black shade and I'll apply it on the wing and on the line of my eye. And this will be the actual liner that will extend the shape of my eye and make it look like longer. Next, I'll take this light copper kind of a shade. It's a shimmer shade and I'll apply it all across my lid, starting from the inner corner and extending it and blending it properly towards the outside. Next up is this gold tone shade. It's another shimmer shade and I'll apply it from the inner corner and I'll not blend it towards the out. It'll just be towards the inner corner. And that's it for the eyeshadow look. I'll rip out the sellotape now. Next up, I'm going to use the Lakme 9 to 5 foundation and apply it all over my face. And I'm going to use this blender from Plush and blend it all over my face. I'll talk about this blender in one of my future videos. This is a new launch and I absolutely love it. I'll apply it all around my face, including under my eyes. Next up, I'm going to use the Maybelline Fit Me blush and apply it on my cheeks, and I'll take it up towards my eyebrows and that will give me a facelift. Next up is the Swiss Beauty highlighting palette and I'll use the golden shade in between and apply it on the highest points of my face. इससे मेरा face chiseled लगेगा and it'll also glow. Next up, I'll use the Mars eyebrow pencil और इससे मैं अपने eyebrows को भर लूँगी. There are some places जहाँ मेरे enough eyebrow hair nahi hai and I'll just draw hair like lines in there and then using the brush I'll blend it. Next up, मैं K Beauty का ये contour stick use करूँगी. आप एक darker shade का foundation भी use कर सकते हो. And I'll draw a line like that and using another pack blender I'll blend it in. जब मैं इसको blend करूँगी मैं इसको ऊपर तरफ blend करूँगी और फिर लाइन के नीचे मैं थोड़ा फाउंडेशन लगा लूँगी just to make it look like a shadow. Next up मैं अपने अंडर आई डार्क सर्कल्स को कवर कर लूँगी using this Swiss Beauty concealer और पैक के वही छोटा सा ब्लेंडर से मैं इसको अच्छे से blend कर लूँगी. Next up, using the contour stick, I'll just contour out my nose. I don't do this normally, पर कभी कभी मैं इसको करती हूँ. And today, since it's gonna be a glam look, I thought I'd just contour my nose. Next up, I'll use the mask lip crayon in the shade Peach Girl Power. ये एक orangish brownish nude shade है, and I'll apply it on the outer line of my lips and blend it in. Next up, I'll use the Makeup Revolution Baby Lipstick in the shade Manifest. ये एक pinkish shade है और इसको मैं अपने lips के बीच में लगा लूँगी and it will give my lips a ombre effect. And I'll blend that in properly using my fingers. Next up, I'll curl my eyelashes using a curler and use the Zayn & Meza Blink It mascara and apply it on my upper eyelashes first. मैं इसको पहले अपने eyelashes के बीच में इससे apply करना start करूँगी और फिर धीरे धीरे outer corner तरफ जाऊँगी and I'll extend my lashes like that and then I'll go straight into my lower eyelashes. I don't usually apply mascara on my lower lashes, but I wanted to open my eyes up for this look, so I went with it. Next up, I'll use the Sugar Highlighting Setting Spray. This one has a lot of golden highlighter particles in it and I'll apply it all over my face for that natural golden glow. And then I'll apply and then I'll stick in my eyelashes. I prefer using half eyelashes towards the outer corner of my eye. And that's it about the look. And this is how the eye look looks under the sun, or better natural light. And this is how it looks under artificial light. It's so bright, so shiny, yet so girly with the pink lips and the pink cheeks. Perfect for both day and night time.
So guys, that was it for today's video. I really hope you enjoyed watching it and benefited from it. Let me know what makeup tutorial or look you want to see next. I have been thinking of doing a full face of Faces Canada next, but let me know what you all want to see next. So that's it for today's video. I'll see you guys in my next. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.